Hello, we're going to make a ingot first. You want to heat the mold a little bit. You want to make sure that you get the moisture out of the mold. You don't have to heat it too much, but you definitely want to make sure there's no moisture in it because it can blow back on you. And now we're going to melt our metal. Okay, so we're going to melt this piece, keep the flame moving. Make sure the spoon is hot also. So you want to make sure that part is hot. And that's where you're going to pour it. There it goes. Make sure it's nice and liquid. There we go. And there's our ingot. Okay, so we have to reproduce this ring. This is worn out. This ring is done, but the lady loves it, has a lot of memories. So we're going to reproduce it. It measures 2¼ millimeters. There's our ingot. So we're gonna start rolling it out and get this ring going. Okay. Now we're gonna anneal this metal. Okay, so we got this, and we're filing it right now. Two sides. Yeah, this ring has a white gold plate, so we're gonna solder on a white gold plate onto this ring, and then we'll drill holes and start setting stones. Okay, here's the plate soldered on. All right, getting ready to set this. Oh, here we go. Got the ring finished. Not gonna play with this anymore. I think this lady will be very, very happy.